Here's how to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix WhatsApp not working on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know how to fix. First up, just go to your settings. Once inside settings, go to general and then iPhone storage and then simply find WhatsApp. Here we are. Now what you need to do is just offload the app. Just press on this offload app icon and then press offload app. This will offload your app and then you would want to reinstall the app just like it says here. Just reinstall it and check it out. If it's still not working, just go back and be in the settings, just swipe down until you see the option of privacy and security. Go ahead and press on that and then find the option of microphone. Just go ahead and press on microphone and make sure that your microphone for WhatsApp is turned on. Just simply do that and make sure it's turned on and then go back. Now what you want to do the same for the camera and then now find WhatsApp again and then simply just make sure that your WhatsApp camera has been turned on. Now once all this is done, just go to your web browser and just search up is WhatsApp down, and it will show you this detector which will show you according to your country if like WhatsApp is going down by showing the paragraph here as you can see, and you can just find it out for yourself. If it's down, it's the sort of problem by server. If it's not, the suggestions I told you fixes, it will fix it up. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.